In this video, we are going to look at accessing a student's urban education teacher candidacy application inside TK20. Just to let everybody know, I am using our test server, so no real student information is here. At the same time, because it is a test server, the exact forms and options that you may see when you review the application may be slightly different. When you log into TK20, you will log in using your UHD credentials, and most likely a faculty profile will show up because that is your main role here at UHD. To be able to access and review the applications, we're going to need to change our role to UE Faculty Evaluator. To change a role, you click on your name. I'm going to go from a Unit Administrator to UE Faculty Evaluator. When I click OK, I want you to notice the options on the left-hand side will change. So when I click OK, we see that the applications appear on the left-hand side. I'm going to click Applications and make sure Submissions are clicked. At this time, all applications that students have submitted to TK20 will appear. This will be for all teacher candidacy applications that have been in TK20. This will be any other types of applications in here as well. Okay. The important thing to know is that under the application title, you'll be able to see the different application types. You'll be able to see the student's last name, the first name, and when they have submitted it. Now, I'm sure you see a lot of familiar names here. Again, we're using a demo server. To search the student that you're going to be interviewing and reviewing on to find their application, we're going to type in their name. So I'm going to type in Leah Campbell to find her application. Nope. There is Carol Campbell. There's Leah. And I have her information here. As soon as I've searched for the student that you're going to be interviewing and I click the search button, the student will show up. So I'm going to click on the application title, and at this time I'm going to get a split screen. On the left-hand side is going to be the student's application, where you'll be able to go through and see all of the information that is here. One of the changes that we've made to the urban education application since this test server was we've introduced 3 essay questions. So you'll be able to see those essay questions here on the left-hand side and anything that you need to know about the student. On the right-hand side, this is where you'll be completing the review of the application. Between you and the other interviewer, you need to decide who will be reviewer number 1, reviewer number 2. The form you will be completing is now Faculty Urban Education Teacher Candidacy Applicant Interview Review Revision 2019. So it has updated as well, but if you go ahead and click on the review form that you will see, well, here is where I will be able to type in my interview notes, however the candidate answered the questions, and then I will also be able to go in and complete the rubric, which has been updated as well on the student. Okay. Overall, I would recommend the following. This is where you make your final recommendation. For you, your recommendation is going to be either acceptance into the UE program or recommendation for a second interview. So as soon as you click whatever your recommendation is that you'll see in the review form, we're going to click Save and Close at the top right, and then you will see that it has been updated you and the date. Okay. I want to let you know the final result here of is the student accepted into the program or not will be made after both reviewers put in information and the urban education department goes and verifies all of the other information regarding the student's GPA, the classes that they have taken, and that they are ready to start the process is done, so you do not need to put anything in the final result. So as soon as you are finished here and it is saved, instead of submit, we're going to hit close. And we're going to save it again before closing. And then that is how you complete the evaluation of the student during their interview. Thank you.